Hi, welcome to Sanvi Imagines, and today I'm gonna teach you how to fold an origami flapping bird. You need a square paper, so let's get started. Fold this edge up to this edge. Crease it with your nails. Unfold. Turn it like this. Now fold this edge to that edge. Unfold. Now let's make two diagonal creases. Fold this edge to this edge. Unfold, turn it like a diamond, and fold it the other way. Unfold, now turn it over, and now we're gonna bring these two flaps in and flatten this out. Now let's fold this edge to the middle crease. We're gonna create a bird base, which is what we're doing right now. Fold this edge. Okay, now fold this down. Unfold this too. Now take this up on that line and squeeze it in. Like that. Give everything a crease. Like that. Let's take this down now. Repeat on this side. I'm gonna go a little faster. Fold this up and fold it all down. And once you've completed this, you're gonna have a bird base. Okay, great, our bird base is done. Now let's start making the bird. Fold this like that and fold this up. Turn it back over. Now fold it, fold this up, and turn it back over. Now you want to pull this down. This is going to be your head. Pull it down how much you want your bird's head to be flattened. That's the head. Now the tail. Pull it out how much you want the tail to be flattened. Give that a good flattening. Now I'm going to teach you how to make the beak. For the beak, fold this down like this. The head actually. Unfold and fold it down on that crease other way. Unfold. Now open this flap and push this in and close it back up. You just made the beak. Now fold this wing up and this wing up. Now when you hold it like this, you might want to curve this down, and don't fold it, just curve it. And when you pull this tail, if you did all the creases right, you should get an origami flapping bird. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Bye!